like I just got done talking to Perfect Stranger just now. I did shoot that on Snap a while ago, but there's a British girl, she was here, and I was like, yo, let's go talk to her. And I was like, oh, are you from England? And then we started talking, and we were like in the water for like maybe like 30 minutes good. I feel like really sunburned, but I don't know. We had talked about a whole heap of different things, and it was really cool. But now it's like 3 o'clock here, and I have like 3 hours before like a sunset, like 3.5 hours before I'm gonna be able to catch a sunset. But you guys check it, like the vibes is just chill. I don't know what to go do tonight. I want to go to a restaurant. I was talking to her and she was like, yo, she might go Burger King, because of them Burger King and KFC is like the shit. So yeah, that's my vibe right now.
Take a moment for yourself. Get close with the lights down low. You and I and no one else. I get the feeling that I wanna explode. Baby, you grab my attention. Tension, burning fever. Take me to
like I was here, just laying down for a little bit, but then, you see me, I met some people here and they're like, yo, come chill in the water. So, must I go out there and enjoy myself? This is life, this is the dream. You afraid of water? Huh? You afraid of water? Live once, YOLO. You only live once. So yeah guys, I just came back up to my room real quick because I was doing the time lapse and I had to reset it again over there. And then I don't know if I wanted a drink, so I got some money for that. And then my battery was dying on my GoPro, so what I did, I forgot that I bought the external battery thing. You see me? So I got this, my phone will be good. If anything, GoPro can get whatever, and of course some cash. So hopefully maybe I can get something to drink down there if I get thirsty. Yeah, but back down there and thing, I'll go try to get a time lapse for you guys, and you see me? Yo, I really enjoying my trip. This trip for me is like really relaxing, and I meet people and stuff. The people, they're really cool. Oh! Oh! Here's someone. No, I thought about on the right hand now, man. Eh? Here's someone.
Why are you hiding the world?
Why are you hiding from the vlog?
Why are you hiding the world?
Guys, I can smell her from here, guys. She got on a lot of body
body fragrances and stuff.
There's a sip on, what is the name again? Toasted almond. Toasted almond, I think this is amaretto, Bailey's, milk, shell stem, I'm not gonna lie.
In a paper.
Yo, I'm not a taste. Very nice.
See there? I get that ready for you. Take her up here. Take her up here, Papa. Take her. Hey! You don't book, you see you?
Go and go hold my little lay down, you know?
Yeah, one of your room then, sir.
No man, right down here, so. Spot the sea there, I came here for the beach, you know?
When I came here for the rooms, we book it for you.
Eh? Yeah. Oh gosh. Guys, I'm supposed to be shooting a time lapse and I'm here drinking. Like Jano. Alright. I'm gonna set up my GoPro really quick so I can get like the sunset kind of for you guys, and then my girls chill a little bit, isn't it? That's the pre. So there we go, we got the time lapse set up and stuff. Hopefully you guys like that time lapse. I'm not sure how it looks, but whatever. I promised myself that I was gonna, you know, enjoy a sunset, so that's what I'm gonna do. Drinking this drink, you know, taking the sunset and just relax a little bit. Like guys, you didn't even understand like how relaxed I am. Like personally, I don't like stress. Well, it's a stupid thing to say because no one likes stress, and I don't like stress, like especially unnecessary stress in life. Like if there's some things you don't have to deal with unnecessarily, like don't deal with it. You see me? If you don't have to give person unnecessary stress, don't give it, yo. Like you don't really call for. You see me? A lot of us every day we just struggle with different things, whether it's personal issues or whatever. And no matter what it is, you have to find your own release. You see me? And it doesn't have to be coming to a resort. I mean, this is cool and stuff. You see me? Because you kind of stressing your things you have to pay for it. But you know, find your release, find your relaxation, whatever it is. Make do with the little you have or with the lot you have. Because a lot of persons out there have a lot and then have the worst stress. You see me? If you pre some of the actors, them rich and them kill themselves, like why? Because money really and truly is not everything. But anyway, that's my personal talk for today. I don't even know if this is recording because I have on the camera, I have on the glasses and I can't really see the screen. But hopefully I never waste my time talking, so whatever. Check out the time lapse. So guys, sunset is gone. There's no more sun. It's getting dark now, but it's beautiful out nonetheless. You know, sea at the feet and stuff. It's good. Please don't complain about my maga body. Listen, I haven't been in the gym for a minute, but yeah. It's like every single time that I come to I go like a situation where I'm supposed to be out like without a shirt, and I go gym. It's rough, so. This pretty much is gonna be like the end of my day personally. I definitely might do something tonight. I don't really know exactly what, but as I'll say to you guys, as always, these three things: love, nature, adaptation. And always, guys, remember, keep the link. And if you love this video, remember, click the like button. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart.